Okay, if you are a conscious manifester or anyone who wants to manifest anything, and you have 10 crystals or 10 stones or any 10 similar objects, I'm going to show you how you can arrange those 10 crystals or those 10 stones or those 10 similar objects in a specific shape to help you in your manifestation process. The energy of 10, when arranged in a specific pattern, is an energy that will produce a manifestation in the physical realm. So the question then becomes, how would you arrange these 10 crystals or these 10 stones or these 10 similar objects in a grid or in a symbolic shape that radiates a manifesting energy? This is it. You arrange your 10 crystals or your 10 stones or any 10 similar objects in a triangular configuration in this manner. This is the energy that creates a power spot in a grid. This is the amplifying supportive energy of manifestation in the physical realm. The number 10, if arranged in this way, is a very, very powerful energy. And just for emphasis, in order for the energy of the number 10 to radiate a manifestation energy, you must use 10 similar objects, and the arrangement of your grid, or if you have a tattoo, or if you have it in a 2D diagram, it has to still have this triangular configuration with one crystal at the top, two over here, three over there, and four over here. So basically the one represents the oneness that we are, the gods that we are, that one energy of God. And then there's two, which is the duality, you know, the Vesica Pisces, two crystals coming together. And then the three is the creation energy. And then the four crystals at the bottom represent the physical realm. So you have the one, the two, the three, and the four, which is the oneness creating and manifesting in the physical. It's just so cool to understand this and to work with this type of energy, especially if you're doing it consciously. And you know what's interesting? Sometimes I just put 10 dots in a triangular configuration on my left hand, which is the receiving hand, and I just walk around with a consciousness that I know comes within. But it's always good to have the reminder of that energy that I'm projecting into the world to create something physically. So you can try that as well, because that's just another option of how to play around with these things. We got to get creative. I love this kind of stuff. I really, really do.